Hello children, this is teacher Loma with another lesson. Children, today we are going to learn about sharing. I'm sure you have heard the saying sharing is caring, but do you know what it means? Let us find out in this video. Sharing means giving. Anything that you give others or others give you is called sharing, whether it's an eraser, toys, food, or even making place for someone to sit next to you. Sharing is one of the most powerful ways to make others happy and to win friends. I'm sure your parents made you share your toys or chocolates with your friends. Well, sometimes we didn't want to share, maybe because we didn't like the person or because giving our favorite thing to them was difficult. Let's listen to the story and understand what happens when we don't share. Raj and Vishal are brothers. They love playing with their toy cars. They line them up and play together for hours. One day, their mother got them 2 remote control toy cars. They loved it and took it to the park to play with it. Their friends arrived and saw the 2 brothers playing with their cars. They asked Vishal and Raj if they could play with the cars. Vishal shared his car with his friends, while Raj would not even let them touch his car. This happened every day. Raj would take his toys to the park but would not share them with anyone. Slowly, his friends stopped playing with him and he was left with no friends at all. With no friends to play, Raj stopped going to the park. Vishal, on the other hand, had lots of friends and had lots of fun with them. One day, while Vishal was going out with his friends, Raj was sitting all by himself looking sad. Their mother, who noticed Vishal going to the park alone, asked Raj, "Why are you not going to the park with your brother?" Raj replied, "No one plays with me, Ma. They all play only with Vishal." When Vishal returned, his mother questioned him, "Why have your brother's friends stopped playing with him?" To this, Vishal replied, "Ma, he takes his toys to the park but doesn't share, so no one likes to play with him." Raj heard what his brother said and soon realized how he lost all his friends. The next day, he went to the park with his brother. He smiled at his friends and handed them his toys. He allowed them to play with his favorite remote control car. His friends were very happy and welcomed Raj back. From then on, Raj always shared his toys with his friends and enjoyed going to the park. The moral of this story is, when you share, you make people around you happy. The joy of a toy will last only for a few days, but the joy of having good friends will last forever. Has anyone ever refused to share something with you? Did you feel hurt? Would you like to be friends with a person who doesn't share? That's exactly how others feel when you don't share with them. Here's another story about a rabbit. This rabbit lived in a warren. A warren is a group of holes in the ground which are connected by tunnels and in which rabbits live. The name of this story is The Full Warren. Once, a rabbit built a fantastic warren where he lived very happily. He had built it so well that when a great rainstorm arrived, which flooded nearly the whole forest and the homes of many animals, his remained untouched. Soon, one after another, the homeless animals came to his door asking if they could spend that winter with him in his warren. He invited every single animal who came asking for a little room in his house. Slowly, the warren filled up until there was no more space left. The rabbit couldn't sleep very comfortably. He couldn't sit in his favorite spot, but this didn't bother him because he felt happy seeing all the animals happy in his house. One day during summer, when all the animals had returned to their old homes, the rabbit was hopping so absent-mindedly that he didn't realize that a wild cat called Lynx was planning an attack on him. One of the animals who had spent the winter in the rabbit's warren saw this and warned the rabbit just in time, shouting an invite to the rabbit to quickly take shelter in his house. The lynx destroyed that house, but the rabbit managed to escape and run to hide in the home of another friend. For the whole day, the lynx followed the rabbit from burrow to burrow and cave to cave, but the rabbit always managed to save himself, helped all the time by the same friends he had offered shelter to in the winter. He felt extremely happy not only for having escaped the lynx, but also for having so many friends in the forest. Just like the friendly rabbit, we also need to share and help others in need, even those who may never be able to help us back. Here is a short film. Watch it carefully to understand how sharing works. In this video, the puppy didn't want to share, but when he noticed that the bird had to feed her babies, the puppy felt very sad. Why did the puppy feel sad? Because he cared about the chicks. And because he cared, He was ready to share. That's when we say sharing is caring. When we share, we show the other person that we care for them. It is very easy to share things we don't want, but very difficult to share something that we really like. But don't forget, students, when you share, you win friends. Next time when your parents ask you to share, do it happily, even if you want to keep something for yourself. Seeing the other person smile will surely make you happy from within. A wise lady once said, "No one has ever become poor by giving." So remember this, children, and share whenever you can. Thank you and have a nice day.